So for number 15, we're using similar triangles in order to find the height of the giraffe in the diagram below. Notice that you're using the mirror method, so the smaller triangle here has a 90-degree angle, and the angle that matches this larger triangle here using the mirror method. So these are similar by angle. The first angle pair is the 90 degrees, the second is the mirrored angle that they share in common. So, in order to solve for the height of the giraffe, which if you Google the height of the giraffe, it's like between 15 and 20 feet, we can set up two equal ratios. So notice that the numbers in the picture aren't consistent. I'm given 15 feet, 5 feet, and now we have 5 feet 3 inches. So they have to stick to the same units. So for 5 feet 3 inches, you could convert all three numbers to inches, the 5 feet 3 inches, the 5 feet, and the 15 feet. Or, well, since two of them are already in feet, I'm going to convert the 5 feet 3 inches into feet. So the only part that needs to be converted is the 3 inches. So 3 inches, well, how many inches make a foot? 12, so really that's 3/12 of a foot. Or, if that's confusing, write it as two equal ratios and solve your proportion. 3 inches is how many feet? It's going to be a decimal. And in the second fraction, write our known conversion. Make sure inches is up top, since you wrote it up top in the first one, and feet is below. I know there's 12 inches in 1 foot, and if I cross multiply, I could find that decimal that converts. So 12 times x is 12x equals 3 times 1 is 3. How do I get x alone? Divide by 12. And like we already assumed, it was 3/12 or 1/4, and as a decimal that's 0.25. So this is 5 plus 0.25, in other words 5.25 feet. Alright, so now we're ready to set up our two equal ratios. So it doesn't matter really the order as long as you relate the correct corresponding sides. I'm going to pick the smaller triangle first. I'm going to do height, shadow, and then height, shadow. So the height was 5.25, shadow is 5, and then the giraffe, the height is x, shadow is 15. So from here we're just cross multiplying. 5 times x is 5x equals 5.25 times 15. Let's see. Oops. I get 78.75, and then if we divide both sides by 5, I get 15.75 feet, and since we've been rounding to the nearest tenth, let's do 15.8 feet. Is that reasonable? Yes, because the giraffe should be between 15 and 20.